Okay, well, I'm back down under here, underneath the house. So my next thing I've got to do, here's my junction box. The power's coming down from that plug up above. And I put it into this box. Now I need to take another piece of Romex out of there. And the plug in the floor, the outlet in the floor, is just beyond these pipes, remember? Hopefully you were with me the other day when I was out here cutting that in. Let's see where it was. I think it was just beyond this, wasn't it? Oh, yeah, right there, see? There's where it is. Right smack there. I've got to run the wire all the way across. Way over there, where that electrical outlet is. So I've got my Romex, and I could come straight across the bottom of all these floor joists. But you know, I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna go up from that box, run it along that wall over there. Okay, and then I'm gonna run it over there, and then come along the side of the TJI floor joists, and I'm going to push the insulation up a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit more of a hassle to do that, but then when I get all done, you're not going to really see the wire, the exposed wiring down here. It'll be up underneath the insulation, so I've got to look at and see which bay that is. It's that bay just beyond that black upright there, right there. So I'm going to run the wire along over there and pull it up along there. And so that's my next thing I'm going to do. And after that, once I get that wire up out of the floor, then I'm going to go back inside, because I was talking to Mommy and she was like, what are you going to do today? She wants to get the couch all put back together and cleaned up and vacuumed and everything. She's going to have people over in a couple days. And so before I finish anything else, I'm going to do that to here, and then later, you know, after I get everything done inside, then I'll come back down here again and run my lights and my switches, my electrical outlet and all that kind of stuff. Okay, have a game plan, and that way I'll be able to put the couch all back together, patch the carpet there a little bit around the electrical outlet, put the electrical outlet in, move all the furniture back in, vacuum first, move the furniture and hook it all back together, and then take all those cords, plug them all in, and all that stuff before I come back underneath the house. Then she'll be all nice and happy, and knowing that everything's cleaned up inside the house. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've got my wire there, and it's still in the roll, and I'm just going to go ahead and start running the wire. I'm not going to start from over there. I'm gonna keep the wire about where it's at. I might pull it downhill. Just a little, just a little bit from where it's at, and then I'll fish the wire cable up there. That way I don't have to pull it out of that whole roll. You know what I mean? Don't necessarily have to start all the way down at the electrical outlet per se. I can just leave it right here, and then as I pull it, I'll just it'll just come out of this roll right where it's at, you know. Okay, so I'm going to keep it, like I say, I'm going to keep it along that wall, and I'm just going to push some through there for starters, and then I can reach over there and it will keep pulling out of my roll right where it's at. Right where it's at. I'll leave my light situated kind of like that. And I'll get you resituated, I think. Maybe I'll just leave you here for right now. I don't know if I've got some dust on my lens here or not. I think it's just the light shining on there. Okay, so yeah, I guess I can crawl up. Oh, I guess I can come over here on the right and crawl up there for now. Let's take my box of staples with me. Okay. Whew. Things didn't used to tire me out like this when I was a kid. Jeez, I must be getting old. Old man. Trying to do this stuff, I'm all out of breath. I don't mind doing it myself. I mean, I'm saving lots of money doing it myself. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange this light a little bit. I can see. Okay. Hey, you just do one little thing at a time and you'll get her. All right, let's go over there and keep pulling that wire. I knew I should have brought my knee pad down here. I could have slid that along. Oh, look at this. See, here's some more nails. Look at all these. I can save those. See? There's my box right there. So, where my wire is over there, I got to pull it over just a little bit further to get into this bay. Okay? I decided to do that rather than run it at an angle. I could have ran it at an angle right underneath all of these floor joists, and I would have had to have nailed upside down, you know, the bottom. Then I'd have it exposed. But here's that piece that I cut out, remember? Right up there. But I'm trying to keep my my wires not exposed any more than I have to. That way, if I get mice up here, or rats up here, or something like that, I don't want them getting up somewhere to where they start chewing on my wire. You know what I mean? Because that's a good way to short out your run, or something like that, or cause a fire, or worse, okay? That's why I'm trying to keep it up high, up over there, going across, and then up underneath the insulation. I'll fix them little miceys. Whew. Okay. I got my dust mask on, my glasses on. Geez, yes, I should have brought my knee pad. What was I thinking? You know what? I'm gonna go get it. Yep. I am going to get my knee pad.